Welcome to TopAcad. In this video, we'll learn how to find a binomial coefficient or a term in a binomial expansion. Let's see how to do it. Here is the first problem. In the expansion of x squared plus 2 by x whole to the power 12, find the coefficient of x to the power 6. When you give such problems, you don't need to expand this binomial. What you need to do is, you know the formula for the general term, which is tr plus 1 is equal to ncr a to the power n minus r b to the power r, right? So we need to find a term which has x to the power 6 and we need to find the coefficient of x to the power 6. How do we do that? Let's see. They've given a is equal to x square, b is equal to 2 by x and n is equal to 12. We need to find the value of r. How do we do that? So let's write tr plus 1 is equal to 12cr into, I'm using this formula, x square whole to the power 12 minus r, I'm just substituting the values here, into 2 by x to the power r. So what they are asking is, find a term which contains x to the power 6. So let's ignore this one. This is going to be a constant term because this is going to be some number, right? So let's only focus on the variables. Variables means x is a variable because it can take any values. Okay, so that's why it's called a variable. Let's expand this. X to the power 24 minus r into I'll write 2 to the power r into, you can write 1 by x to the power r as x to the power minus r. So right? This becomes 1 by x to the power r. This again we're going to ignore because this is a constant. Okay, this is some number. So this becomes x to the power 24 minus, this is 2r. 2r minus r. So they're saying this has to be equal to x to the power 6. Only then we can find the coefficient of x to the power 6, right? So we'll just going to equate this and try to find the value of r. This becomes 24 minus 3r is equal to 6. So 24 minus 6 is equal to 3r. 3r is equal to 18. R is equal to 6. So we found out for the value r is equal to 6, which means the 7th term. R plus 1 will become 7th term. So now r is equal to 6. So we can say tr plus 1 is t7 is equal to 12c6. R is equal to 6. X square into 12 minus 6, 2 by x to the power 6. So that is equal to 12c6 x square whole to the power 6 into 2 to the power 6 into 1 by x to the power 6. Okay, this becomes 12c6 into, I'll take this constant this side, into x to the power 12 by x to the power 6. This is nothing but 12c6 into 2 to the power 6 into x to the power 6. So they have asked for the coefficient of x to the power 6. This will be 12c6 into 2 to the power 6. When you expand this using a calculator, let's see what value you get. I'm using a calculator here, which will be 59,136. This is the coefficient of the term 7. The term 7 will be 59,136 into x to the power 6. So the coefficient of x to the power 6 is 59,136. This is how we need to solve this. Okay, now we need to find the constant term. So what is a constant term? We get constant term when it is x to the power 0, because x to the power 0 is nothing but 1, and 1 into any constant will become a constant, right? So now we have to equate this. X to the power, you remember, 24 minus 2r minus r should be equal to x to the power 0, that's all. So this becomes x to the power, we can say x to 24 minus 3r is equal to 0. I'm just equating these. So 3r is equal to 24 and r is equal to 8. When r is equal to 8, we'll get a constant term. We'll see if that holds true and what is the value. Okay? So that will be tr plus 1 is t8 plus 1. That is the 9th term. 12c8 into x square into 12 minus 8, 2 to the power 2 by x whole to the power 8. Okay, this is 12c8 into x square to the power 4 into 2 to the power 8 divided by x to the power 8. You know, x square to the power 4 is nothing but x to the power 8. So this x to the power 8 and x to the power 8 will get cancelled. So we're left with 12c 8 into 2 to the power 8. Let's see using the calculator what we get. So the value of this constant is 126720. This is the value of the constant term. Okay, so now I hope you have understood how to find a coefficient in a binomial expansion and how to find the constant term. So let's move on to the next question. So expand 2x plus 1 whole to the power 4. Find the terms x square in the expansion of 3 minus x square. Okay, so they've given some multiplication of two binomials. How do we do that? It's not that hard. Let's first expand this. 2x plus 1 to the power 4 can be expanded as, I always do 2x to the power 4 first. It is always a to the power 4. And NC1 2x cube, 4c1 2x cube 1 to the power 1 plus 4c2 2x square 1 square plus 4c3 2x into 1 cube plus 4c4 is nothing but 1. So okay, I'll still write it 4c4 into 2x to the power 0 into 1 to the power 4. Right, it's just 1. 16x to the power 4 plus 4c1 is nothing but 4. 4 into 8x cube, right, plus 4c2. What is 4c2? 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. The 2 is 6. This becomes 6 into 4x square plus 4c3 is nothing but again 4. 4 into 2x plus the last term is just 1. So we got this as 16x to the power 4 plus 8 4s are 32 x to the x cube plus 6 4s are 24 x square plus 4 2s are 8x plus 1. This is the expansion of 2x plus 1 to the power 4. Now they are asking us to find the term x square in the expansion. So let's see 3 minus x square into, so you have the expansion of this. So let's write that 16x to the power 4 plus 32x to the power 3 plus 24x square plus 8x plus 1. But don't waste your time multiplying everything. We just want the term with x square and it's very easy to do it. So when you multiply 3 with x to the power 4, some number into x to the power 4, we'll get x to the power 4. When you multiply 3 with x to the power 3, we'll get x to the power 3. But when you multiply 3 with x square, you will get a term with x square, right? And when you multiply 3 with 8x, you'll get only x. That is not required here. And 3 into 1 is 1. That's a constant. Similarly, when you multiply x square with 1, only then you get x square. If you multiply it with any other term, you will not get x square in the term. Okay, so let's only do this. So we got 3 into 24x square minus x square. Don't forget this minus sign, minus x square into 1. So this is 24 into 3 is 72x square minus x square. So this term is 71x square. That's it. So simple. You didn't have to really calculate, multiply each and every term. You can find only the term with x square and simplify. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.